Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most likely, most attractive, stylish woodworking ideas, beautiful woodworking ideas, stylish wooden decor ideas, home decor ideas, office decor ideas, indoor, outdoor decor ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of decoration, wooden projects you can see in this my video. So please friends, don't skip my video. Watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of woodworking you can see. Those who love such type of woodworking, newest version of most beautiful, most trendy woodworking ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful wooden decoration ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsbuy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful projects, these very beautiful decoration ideas, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Fantastic ideas for your home, your office, your garden. Useful projects, useful objects. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, stylish wooden decor ideas, decoration ideas, home decor ideas, office decor ideas, every types of decoration and projects you can see. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel.